This stalk right here is the remnants of a SKIRRET, and I'm looking for food for breakfast tomorrow morning. I'm going to go ahead and harvest this and replant whatever new shoots are growing, which there should be some if past diggings are any indication. That looks like a pine berry. So normally it's not that far out. Here's the stem. They're long and skinny, they go down quite far. You want to get a good deep try at it. You could hear them coming up. You could hear them breaking off a little bit. Let's see. Ooh, the ground is cold. This is the last week of March. Ooh, look at it, got a nice worm here. Soil's so cold, yet here are the worms they're working. I read a study about in Canada where they found out that worms will eat even if they're half froze. Look at that. That is one heck of a lot of SKIRRET there out of that one little plant. Look at that. And then all these little shoots here, these are all a potential plant. So we want to get those back in the ground. Go ahead and rough this up here a little bit and we'll plant them right here. I don't know what these plants are. Yeah, a nice root to them. If anybody knows what that is, please let me know. If it's edible, I got lots of them around here I can eat. So the big roots we want to eat, we're going to go ahead and get those off of here. There are a lot of them. It'll be good for 2 or 3 breakfasts. So I leave these skinny ones as part of the root mass after I break this apart. I don't think there's anything on there that's going to grow. Looks like that'll be a good one. We'll go with that. Look at how far down I could just dig down with my hands. That's how good I got the soil now. With all that composting. I probably don't have to add any more compost. Maybe never again, because all this soil life now is doing its work. It's kick-started soil life. This one doesn't have a shoot, but I'll bet the root grows one, so I'm going to put her in here. I'll kind of keep an eye on that right there. So, no, I don't necessarily overload my breakfasts with anything. I guess I could probably put that whole batch into one breakfast. I'll split it up into 2. It's pretty nice right there. Alright, thanks for watching.